What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme Fall Winter 24 Week 16 live cop. Now before we get into the video, I did want to say last week I did miss the live cop only because I had to work. So instead I did release my long awaited room tour video. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you go check that video out now on my YouTube channel in the description down below. That one took a lot longer than I wanted it to release, so I do apologize about that. But thanks again for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Finally did it. So the room tour video is finally out, so make sure you go check that out. Now jumping into this week, it is highlighted by the Dickies collab. There are a few things I actually want to go for. Like, I do want to go for the bandana beanie. I'm thinking about going for the big logo beanie as well. I want to go for the pin. I'm thinking about going for the hoodie. I'm just not for sure yet. And then lastly, I'm thinking about going for the pants as well. The long sleeve was pretty cool, but I don't really think that I need it. And then the other stuff just really wasn't for me. I actually really like this Endurance Series 6 panel hat. That thing looks kind of crazy. I actually might go for that. That looks kind of crazy. I didn't realize that. The number one most upvoted thing is going to be the RC dirt bike, but that's $700, so I'm going to skip out on that. Like I said, I'm kind of slimming down the accessories collection. It just is kind of wild to me that if this was like a year or two ago, I definitely would have bought that even at $700, but we're going to skip on that today. I did start this video a little bit late, if I'm being honest, so I think I got to start already getting this queued up. So there are 6 things we are potentially going for. I might try to go for multiple colors, so I guess that doesn't really count. There would be more than 6. Hopefully you can get all of these in the same cart. That'd be nice, because I pretty much would probably get every single one of these colors. I don't really think any of this stuff is going to sell out. The only possibility is going to be the bandana. So that's the only thing I'm a little nervous about with adding all this to the cart, but I think I should be able to get 6 things into the cart before it sells out. That $100 beanie a few weeks ago sold out pretty much instantly, it felt like, so who really knows at this point? Dang, the hooded work jacket is only $188. Why does that seem kind of cheap to me? The hoodie is $148 and the pants are $168. And I can't decide if I want the pink hoodie or if I want, dang, even the tan is really nice. This is overall just a pretty nice collab in my opinion. Not my favorite Supreme Dickies, but I do really like this. Dang, I even like the gray. But all right, we got 1 minute left, so I think it's time to queue up the screen recording. All right, we are live on the screen recording. Like I said, I'm just gonna add a bunch of stuff to the cart, I guess, and pray that none of it sells out. Last week I didn't really get too much. I did get the Grinch. I was kind of wanting this hoodie, to be honest, but I didn't even go for it, and it did sell out. I'm curious to see what this does on the market. This is a pretty sick hoodie in my opinion. I really like this color a lot. I also really like these hoodies. I'm surprised that these didn't sell out. I know they're like extremely basic, but they're just like really clean to me. I do like the colorways, and yeah, I did like that hoodie, but I didn't go for that either. Like I said, we pretty much just got the Grinch. Is it still here? No, it's not here. Oh, this is pretty much all that we got. All right, we got a couple seconds left, and we are live. Here's the Dickies. I don't know if I want gray or if I want pink. I might just go gray medium on this. I might just go gray medium. Should I get this too? Am I being crazy right now? I don't even know if the medium's gonna fit, to be honest. Where are the pants? I'm gonna get these in a 32. Might be a little big, but I'd rather than be a little big than a little small. Here, I'm gonna try to get all of these. Oh, and you can. We're gonna go back to new. Gonna try to get. Wow, these are all just on the same. No way they're gonna let me do this. No way. Why do I feel like I'm missing something though? Am I missing something? No, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh no. But why do I feel like I'm missing something here? Oh, this. I was missing something. Dang, this car is $1,000, I think they said. That is definitely not a bridge. What am I doing? Getting sidetracked because I had that misclick. Wow, right through? No, that sold out. Dang, was this actually a... Was I actually really wrong about this? I'm like shocked that pink went. No, I think something else sold out. Okay. Alright, another beanie is gone. Let's try this again. Alright, so we got a big majority of it, to be honest though. Only 2 of those things ended up selling out, which isn't terrible. Oh, okay. That makes sense. But I'm kind of surprised that the beanies sold out like that. Well, just one beanie? I can't remember now. Just one beanie, right? This whole hoodie went. This whole hoodie went in pink. I guess I didn't even stand a chance for that. I didn't think it was going to be like that. That entire one went and no one was feeling gray. Dang, I'm surprised. Wait, before I end this, I got to see, did the pants even sell out? If people are feeling the pink hoodie. Oh, also, I did want to mention, I was thinking about getting this, but it looked like it fit kind of long. My torso's not that tall, so this might look ridiculous on me, but this thing is pretty sick. I have a feeling though this is probably going to hit the sale if it doesn't sell out, so I'm going to wait on getting this. Because if it doesn't fit me how I want it to, I already know I'm going to take a huge L trying to sell that, so we're not getting that today. But where are the pants? No, the pants didn't sell out. Oh my, not even close to selling out. I guess these aren't like the same pink. I wish they would have used the same pink on the hoodie as they did onto these pants. Dang, that's kind of wild. Did any of them go? Okay, a couple in the black and none in the blue. Wow, I'm very shocked right now about this. I wonder if this thing's gonna resell now. I didn't really think any of this stuff was gonna resell, but this might now. If it sold out that quick, or maybe there just wasn't a lot of them made. But all right, let me end this screen recording because that's pretty much all we're gonna go for. Do we want to check one more thing actually? How are we looking on these beanies? So just the tan one sold out, and then I doubt any of these. Yeah, did this sell out? Still in stock, even though it was the most upvoted item. Maybe people didn't know it was $700. And then yeah, I doubt that these hats are gonna sell out like instantly. I mean, all right, let me end this screen recording now. So that is gonna do it for my week 16 live cop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this isn't the first video of mine that you're seeing. Usually it's a lot more crazy of a week, but this week was pretty light, even though I did spend $900. I mean, items wise, it was a pretty light week, just considering like this was nothing like crazy hyped up. But I'm a big fan of Dickies, so I want to pick up the pants and the hoodie for the personal. I'm still very surprised that pink hoodie sold so quick. I probably could have got that if I wasn't trying to also get like, what was that, like 15 things into the cart. That is probably my bad, but I also did not think it was going to sell it like that. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop. And a few more things I wanted to say before I go. I do apologize if I'm a little out of it in this video. I'm pretty much coming off of one of the worst weeks I've had in a very long time, so I wasn't really feeling like making this video, but I got to deliver for you guys because we almost got a video for every single live cop this season. We only got a couple weeks left, so I didn't want to miss out. So I still hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though I was a little out of it. And then tomorrow, my brand Sudden is doing a drop for our Sudden Choppers tee. This is actually the V2 of the shirt, so this version is a lot different. We brought it in many requested colors because last time we only ran it in white, so this time we're bringing it in black, vintage black, and white. We also added a location to the bottom, and we've also doubled the quantity because last time this shirt sold out in 7 minutes, so I wanted to make sure there was enough shirts so anyone that wanted it could go get it. So again, that's going to be tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern time. The link will be in the description down below if you want to check that out for the Instagram and the website. And then lastly, I wanted to say my room tour video is finally out. Since I missed last week's live cop, I wanted to still deliver a video, so I finally released my room tour video. And thank you guys again for getting me back to 1,000 subscribers. I will leave the link in the description as well as on the screen if that's something you want to check out. Thank you guys again. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. Catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.